Hey, so one of the major problems that white label apps were having is with the standard auth URL that is basically exposing Go high level and reaching white label friendliness. So to solve this, what we have come up with is a GreyLabel solution. Instead of using this as auth URL, we can use marketplace.leadcontrolhu.com, right? So I'll basically show you how it works. This is the app that I have created, and the name of the app is GreyLabel Flow Testing. And this is my white label domain. I'll just log in. So these are all the locations that I have, and I want this app to be installed on Charan's Beauty Spa. Right. I'll just sign up from here. To initiate the OAuth 2.0 flow, I'm going to use this repo as my starting point. So what I basically did, I have updated config.json. The base URL of the application is https marketplace.leadcontrolhq.com, and client ID and client secret is of my own app. And there's the initiate part, there's the callback URL, and there's the scope that I have added inside of my marketplace app. Right. I'll just restart my server once again. I'll just initiate. So as you can see, this is the authorization page. It's not having go high level now, right? As you can see it from here. It's asking me to log in. So instead of redirecting me to app.go high level, it's basically redirecting me to app.leadcontrolhq.com. When I'll just use my credentials that I have. So now the main application closes automatically and we get the list of locations that we have for that particular agency. So I would be installing my application on Charan's Beauty Spa. I'll just click over here. And as you can see, I got the data and I can use access token to fetch the contacts as I have given contacts.read only as one of the scopes. So this is how basically grid labeling of authorization page is working.